The $100 bill begins with unbreakable American cotton linen and embedded secrets. And emerges as the world's most secure, high-tech currency. The $100 bill's unbreakable foundation starts with premium American cotton. Sourced from trusted farms, only the finest fibers are chosen. Transported under strict security to purification plants. Complemented by durable linen from flax, adding resilience. Purified at extreme heat to eliminate all contaminants. Blended precisely, 75% cotton, 25% linen for unmatched strength. Embedded security fibers make imitation impossible. Refined to perfection, creating the distinctive crisp feel. Formed into sheets with built-in watermarks for added security. Specialized currency paper arrives under maximum security at the Bureau. Stored in fortified vaults to protect the unprinted substrate. Rigorous initial inspection ensures flawless quality from the start. Sheets are cut to precise dimensions for high-volume production. A special sizing coat prepares the surface for intricate printing. Dried carefully to lock in the coating for optimal results. Embedded threads glow under UV, verifying built-in security. Stacked and bundled securely for the next transformative phase. These blank sheets now await the precision of printing mastery. Offset printing lays the foundational colors and subtle patterns on both sides. Unique colors blend seamlessly, building the first layer of protection. Sheets dry for days, allowing inks to set perfectly. Precision drying ensures durability and flawless adhesion. Intaglio begins on the back, printing the iconic green with raised detail. Raised printing creates the tactile feel impossible to counterfeit. The front receives the detailed portrait and borders in bold intaglio. Enhanced intaglio gives the note its distinctive rough texture. Main printing complete. The $100 bill now bears its core secure identity. Post-printing, sheets advance to cutting-edge automation for unbreakable security.
Micro-optic technology brings the 3D ribbon to life with impossible motion.
State-of-the-art OCIS examines every detail at pixel level for perfection. Automated rejection ensures only the highest quality proceeds. Color-shifting ink responds to movement, adding dynamic anti-counterfeit protection.
Robotics stack sheets with flawless accuracy and speed.
Microprinted details are confirmed invisible to the naked eye. Intelligent sorting directs only elite sheets to final stages. Relentless automation builds layer upon layer of security assurance. Advanced machines complete the fortress of protection around every $100 bill. Final overprinting adds unique serial numbers and official seals to each $100 bill. Each note receives its one-of-a-kind serial number for unbreakable identification.
Advanced single-note inspection verifies perfection before cutting.
Only flawless notes proceed, maintaining uncompromising quality. Sheets are precisely cut into individual $100 bills with exact dimensions.
The notes are banded into secure straps, grouped by value for efficiency.
Bricks of 1,000 notes are formed, protected and tracked for distribution.
Palletized with precision, ensuring safe journey to circulation. The final product, unforgeable $100 bills, masterpiece security and precision.
Finished $100 bills enter fortified vaults at the Bureau, awaiting Federal Reserve transfer. Armored convoys transport them with maximum protection to Federal Reserve facilities. Reserve banks receive and store the currency in their own secure vaults.
Processed meticulously to ensure only genuine, fit notes enter the economy.
Distributed to commercial banks, credit unions, and institutions nationwide. They enter daily commerce, supporting trade, savings, and economic stability. The cycle continues. Fit notes return, unfit ones destroyed, supply balanced.
Beyond borders, the $100 bill serves as a global reserve and store of value. Its advanced security fosters worldwide confidence in America's financial system. From factory to world, the $100 bill stands as a masterpiece of security and influence.